Good night, beautiful people. It's underscore the General, aka Chris Riley. So, guys, I know you guys haven't seen me in a bit on camera. Yeah, but it's okay. It's all good. But I miss you guys though. Big time. Yeah, so I'm coming on full green tonight, guys. Green shirt and my green shorts. Yeah. So guys, I've been staying off. A few people actually asked me to stop sit down and do some sit down vlog. So I was just being, you know, I'm gonna give them, yeah. But tonight I feel like just want to talk to you. It's really cold outside, guys, when we're bracing for a winter storm. It's right now I can hear the wind. It's rolling. Yeah, man. So we're bracing for, I don't know if it's, I think they said 20 centimeters of snow or 22 centimeters of snow. But it's going to be rough. And even in that, I hope I can be able to show you guys some snow tomorrow. Yes, I hope so. But I heard it's really, really, really cold. It's extremely cold. So I would say yes, just one word to sum it up. It's extremely cold. And guys, tonight I wanna say hi to one of my sister on this channel. I hope you guys get to meet her one day or soon. Her name is Stacy. Well, guys, Stacy is we grew in Jamaica years apart, yes, but we were really close. And guys, I haven't spoken to my sister in a decade. And one of my New Year's resolution was to find my sister, because it's only two brothers of us that they have, my dad children, and our next brother passed. So I'm the only brother that's left, and I haven't seen them in decades. So this specific one, which is Stacy, I know she would be watching, because now that she just found her brother, she's watching my channel, guys. And I must say I appreciate you guys. Even the ones that argue with me and cuss me every day, I love you guys. Honestly, because when I don't come here, I truly miss you. I miss all of them. I miss on a bond. I know my children are watching. I'm gonna say good night. It's a Friday night. Whoever is watching. But people, I must say, talking to my sister was it was big. It was huge. Yeah, man. So sometime I'm glad I have a platform where I can even sit here and, I would say, so-called vent. Yes. But I'm glad I have a audience where I can talk to when I get into my feelings, into my emotions. Because this is what used to happen, and I never used to have anybody to sit down and talk to her, you know. So this is a happy feeling. And the next thing she's heading to Florida because they're gonna see one of my son. Where because I haven't flown over there, I can't go over there. So my son is having a baby. And to the world, I don't know how they feel. Yeah, they might be upset because I said that, but I'm not calling any names, so nobody have to know who it is. So that's another grandbaby, ladies and gentlemen, in Florida, specifically Fort Lauderdale. Yes, and my sisters are heading there to support him. Yeah, that's one of their favorite nephew, you know. So in that sense, guys, it's tonight, Friday night. I had a rough week at work. Yeah, but I persevered. You know, I miss talking to my audience, and I hope tonight, ladies and gentlemen, you guys don't mind seeing me. I made a couple live, so I'm sure you guys saw me. But this is, to me, speaking to my audience is this is where I'm more comfortable. Yeah. So I'm asking you guys to just see with me and understand that this is actually what I like to do. But I will show you guys Canada, I show you guys Toronto. You know, I'll be showing you guys new places, especially when it gets better. So bear with me until it gets a little bit better, beautiful people. Yes. And for all the Jamaican them out there, guys, I'm asking if you know this one word and then just give me the meaning, because somebody mentioned this word to me today. It was a fellow Jamaican. I know the word, but I don't know if I have the right meaning for it. So beautiful people, the word what we use at Jamaica all the time, we call fenke fenke. Please, fenke fenke. I am not gonna say what I think it mean, because I know me use that term when I use it at Jamaica. I don't think I ever use this word in Canada. So you know, I don't remember. I'm there in Canada over 30 years, guys. So if me don't know what the word fenke fenke mean, I want to know, hit the comment and explain to me that me can relate to the youth where I use the word fenke fenke. Yeah, man. And guys, one more question I want to ask my Jamaican people are the old things. I want to go see my friends. I want to see my friends and I want to go do a live. But where there always is this horse racing place. Yeah, man. Gambler. I not lie, yo. I gamble too. I love it. Okay, guys, I love horse racing. Right now, I wait for the Kentucky Derby. That is a race that I don't miss. The Kentucky Derby. Yes. But I wanna answer from you. There's gonna be Jamaicans there that my age, 58, 60 odd and more, saying, and I feel like if I go there and I do a live there, if they would allow me, because you know them man, they're a bad man them too, you know, most of them are bad man. All bad man them. Back in the days, bad man them. So if they would allow me to do the live, that is something that I have in mind. I want to go see them because they start supporting me. Canada has been supporting me. My American Kenyan, my American Jamaican, and my American audience in our world. Yo, guys, you guys take this to another level. See, now I'm starting to laugh because this is what I miss doing. Okay? I miss talking to my people, miss talking to my audience, my beautiful audience. And guys, I don't take you guys for granted. What you guys have done for me within the past 3 months, I could say this all the time over. Guys, my channel is not even 3 months old. Not even. So I'm a young YouTuber with a beautiful audience. Big people, yes, I know that. Understanding, yeah. Yo, on a rip me up sometimes still, you know. Sometimes I clap back, but it don't make no sense more times. So what I'm doing now, I'm listening to my audience. Yeah, man, because when they not tell me nothing. Yeah, some of them get cussed. Them cuss me because of Mara. Which, guys, this is not going down. This won't go down. Somebody said, well, I'm gonna lose all my subscribers. Hey, yeah, they literally told me if I don't take it down, they're gonna go. You know, even if I'm not vlogging about anything else, even if you see me 10 years from now or 5 years from now sitting down here, as long as it's here, I'm gonna have it. But it's no disrespect. I'm not trying to disrespect anybody, you know. So them tell me to leave Coco Girl. And by the way, guys, Coco Girl link up with D Mwanga, which is our friend. I know they've been together for years. You know, she was over there. So them do them thing. You see me? So the word of the night, beautiful people, is thank you. Please hit me up in the comment section and enlighten me. Help me with this word. Yeah? And guys, they're still doing wonders in the village. I must say that we're still sending children to school because the children in the village in Nebraska, they need help. They need assistance, guys. They need our help. Yeah, man. So please don't just look at me for doing this or sitting down here and talking. See me, I'm an advocate for something. And I'm asking you guys to please help when you can, if you can, and however you can, to send these children to school. So like, share, and subscribe to this video, guys. Yeah, man. I'm this away from monetization, right? So monetize the general. Free me up then. Free me up. Yes. So tomorrow, please look out for either a live, which I'm trying to do more live now because it's so cold outside, guys. As long as you guys understand that it's Canada and it's freezing outside. Yeah, man, I really want to give you guys vlog, and I know I have to give you guys stuff before summer comes along. But it's really rough outside, ladies and gentlemen. But that's not saying I will give you some outside vlogs, some outdoors, but it's cold. We're also expecting a winter storm tonight. Yeah? So, it's your boy, Chris Riley, aka it's underscore the general, with a vlog for another vlog from you from my home in Toronto, Canada. Big up my sister Stacy. I hope you guys have a safe trip. Okay, I spoke to you today. You say you're on the plane, and I hope to hear from you. And tell my son, or my grand, whatever it is, that, you know, safe entrance to this place they call Earth. Okay, and God bless you guys. I love you. Another Friday night, another day, another weekend. We're entering another weekend. So I'm asking you guys to like, share, and subscribe this video. And monetize your boy. Okay, I love you with all due respect, no disrespect, pure respect. So in that saying, I'm gonna say a honest bye-bye, a positive I love you guys. It's 2024 and we have to do differently. Yeah? So love you guys and wait for another banger. Make this into a banger, okay? Please. And I'm gonna say good night from it's underscore the general. Bye-bye.